everyone. Now I'm going to start question number 1 of exercise 3.1. Now in this question we have, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Here some numbers are given. Using divisibility test we will have to determine whether these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. Now here first one is done for you. Here we have 128. Now 128 is divisible by 2. Okay, why here it is given? Yes. Why it is so? Like according to divisibility rule, we know that if the last digit or if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, or we can say that if the last digit is even number, then it is divisible by 2. So that's why it is given yes. Why? Because here 8 is given at ones place. So we can say that 128 is divisible by 2. Okay. Now here last digit is 0. So that means 990 is divisible by 2 because 0 is even number. So we will write yes. Now coming to next, here also last digit is even. So we can say that this is also divisible by 2. Now next. We have 275. Now 275 here last digit is 5, which is odd number. So it cannot be divisible by 2. So we'll write no. Now next we have 6686. Here last digit is 6, which is even number. So it is divisible by 2. So we'll write yes. Now in the next one we have 639210. Here last digit is again even number. 0 is even number. So we can write that this is divisible by 2. So we'll write yes. Now next we have 429714. We have 4 at ones place and 4 is even number. So we can write that. So we can say that this number is divisible by 2. So we'll write yes. Again in the next number we have 2856. Here last digit is 6, which is even number. So we can say that it is divisible by 2. So we'll write yes. Now we have 3060, in which 0 is even. So we will write yes. And in the last one we have 406839, in which 9 is odd number. So this cannot be divisible by 2. So we will write 9. We will write no. Okay. Now coming to next, we'll just check the divisibility by 3. Now here as you know that according to divisibility rule of 3 is if the sum of the digit is a multiple of 3, then we can say that it will be divisible by 3. So here at first we have 128, and if you find the sum of the digit, then we'll get 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. And 11 is not a multiple of 3, as 11 doesn't come in 3's table. So we will that's why here no is written. Okay. Now in the next one we have 990, and if you add this all, then we will get 18, and which comes in 3's table. So we will write yes. Okay. Similarly we'll just add this. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20, and 20 is not a multiple of 3. So we will write no. Okay. Now next we have 275. Again we will add this all. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14, which is not divisible by 3. So we will write no. Next we have 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. So here the sum of the digit of 6686 is 26, which is not divisible by 3. So we will write no. Okay. Next we have 639210. Again we will find the sum of the digits. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. See here, 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. So 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, and 20 and 0, if you add 0 to any number, then we get the same number. So we will have 21, and which is a multiple of 3. So we will write yes. Again in the next number we have 429714, and if you add this, so 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4. If you add this all, then we will have 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 7 is 22, 22 plus 1 is 23, and 23 plus 4 is 27, which is a divisible, like 27 comes in 3's table, so we can say that it's yes. Now the next one we have 2, 8, 5, 6, and if you add this all, then we'll have 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, which comes in 3's table, so we'll write yes. The next one we have 3, 0, 6, 0, and if you add this, then 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9. So that means this is a 9 can be divided by 3 because 9 comes in 3's table, so we'll write yes. The last one we have 4 plus 0, 4, 0, 6, 8, 3, 9, and if you add this all, then we will have 4 plus 0 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 9. So if you add this, we'll get 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, then 26, 26 plus 0 is 26, 26 plus 4 is 30, which comes in 3's table, so we will write yes. Okay. Now next we have divisibility by 4. Now divisibility by 4 is if the last two digit comes in 4's table, right? Now here we have 28, 28 comes in 4's table, so we can write yes, which is given. Okay, next we have 90, 990 we have, but we will have to check 90 here because last two digits here is 90. So if you check that whether it is divisible by 4, then see, we will have to divide. 4 2s are 8, then 9 minus 8 is 1, 0 will come down, 4 2s are 8. So here we can see that remainder is left, so here remainder is 2, so that means it is 90 is not divisible by 4, so we will write no. Okay, now next we have 1586, in which 86 is the last two digits, and if you divide by 4, then we will have 4 2s are 8, now 6 will come down, so 4 1s are 4, that means this is also not divisible by 4, so we will write no. Now we have 75. Now 75 cannot be divisible by 4 as here is odd number. Now next we have 86. 86 here also see 86 we have done before that 86 cannot be divided by 4. So here also no, here also no. Okay. Now in the next one we have 639210, in which 10 is the last two digits, and if you see 10 doesn't come in 4's table, so we can see that we can write as no. Okay, we can write it as no. So here here in the next number we have 429714. Now again 14 doesn't come in 4's table, so we'll write no. Next we have 56, last two digit we have 56, and 4 14s are 56, so we'll write yes. Next we have 60, so 60 means the last two digits is 60, and 4 15s are 60, so we'll write yes. Then we have 39, 39 cannot be divided by 4, so we'll write no. Okay, now let's come to divisibility by 5. Now divisibility by 5 is if the last digit is 0 or 5, then it will be divisible by 4. Divisible by 5 if the last two digit is 0 or 5. Okay, this is the divisibility of 5. So here since in 128 last digit is 8, that's why here is given no, and here in the next one we have last digit as 0, so we'll write yes. Again next one will be no, as 6 is there at 1's place. Again next we will be, see in the next one, in this number 275, 5 is at 1's place, so we will write yes. Okay, now again in the next number we have 6, which cannot be divided by 5, so we'll write no. In the next number we have 0 at 1's place, so we'll write yes. Again here we have 4, that means which cannot be divided by 5, because if the last digit is 0 or 5, then only it can be divided by 5, so here we will write no. Again here we have 6, so we will write no. And then in next one 3060, here we have 0 at 1's place, so we will write yes. And in the last one 9 is there at 1's place, so we will write no. Okay, now next we have the divisibility by 6. Now divisibility by 6 is the number should be divisible by 2 as well as 3. So at first we will have to check whether it is divisible by 2 or not, and then we will check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. If both the number, if in this, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then we can say that the number will be divisible by 6 also. So here last digit is even number, so obviously this is divisible by 2. And here we can see that here it is not divisible by 3, but because here no is given, here is yes and here is no. That means if since it is not divisible by 3, that means it is not divisible by 6. That's why no is given. Okay. Now in the next one, see, in both the column I have written yes. That means this 990 can be divisible by 2 as well as this 990 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So we can write it is divisible by 6 also. So we'll write yes. Now in the next one, y, here in the first column we have written y and in the next column we have written no. Okay, that means it is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6 also. Okay. So the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay. So here in this, both these, see in the both I have written no. So that means it is not divisible by 6. Again in the next one, in the first column I have written yes and in the next column I have written no. That means it is not divisible by 6. So we'll write no. Here in C, it is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3 also. Why? Because in both the column I have written yes. So here also yes, it is divisible by 6. Here also it is divisible by 2 and 3. So here also it will be divisible by 6. In the next 2, 8, 5, 6, in this number also we have seen that it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So it is divisible by 6 also. So we'll write yes. Now in the next one, again I have written C, yes, in both the column. That means it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So it is divisible by 6 also. So we'll write yes. Now in the last one I have written no in the first column. That means it is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2. That means it is not divisible by 6. Okay. Now coming to divisibility by 8. Now divisibility by 8 is if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then we can say that it is divisible by 8. So here we have 128. Okay, and 128, if you check, and then see, 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48. So we can see that we have got 0 as remainder. That means 128 is divisible by 8. Okay, that's why here is given yes. Now let's check whether 990 is divisible by 8 or not. Now if you divide 990 by 8, then we have 8 ones are 8, then 9 minus 8 is 1, then 9 will come down, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So we cannot take 24 as 24 is greater than 19. So we'll take 8 2s are. So 8 2s are 16. So we have 3. Then 0 will come down. Now 8 4s are 32, which is greater than 30. So we'll take 8 3s are 24. That means we have seen that we have got 6 as remainder. So that means it is not divisible by 8. So we will write no. Okay. Now in the next one we have 1586, and in which 586 is the last 3 digit. So again we will have to divide 586 divide by 8. So 8 7s are 56. Now 8 minus 6 is 2. Then 6 will come down. 3 8s are 24. So we have got 2 as remainder. That means it is not divisible by 8. Okay. Now here 275. If you check whether it is divisible by 8 or not, see, 3 8s are 24 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So 8 4s are 32. Here also we have seen that it is not divisible by 8. So we will write no. Okay. In the next number we have 686. Last digit is 686. So again we will divide by 8. So 8 8s are 64. Now 8 minus 4 is 4. Then 6 will come down. So 8 6 are 48. So we cannot take 48 as 48 is greater than 46. So we'll take 5. 8 5s are 40. So we have got 6 as remainder. So what we will write here? No. Okay. Now here 210. So 8 2s are 16. So here 210, if you divide by 8, then we will have 8 2s are 16. So 5 will come down. If here 6 to 11 is 5, now 0 will come down. Now 8 4s are 48. So we have got 2 as remainder. So that means this is also not divisible by 8. Okay. Now here we have 714. Last 3 digit is 714. So again we will divide by 8. So we have 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, which is greater than 71. So we'll take 8 8s are 64. So we have 4 to 11 is 7. Now 4 will come down. Now 8 9s are 72. So what we have seen that we have got 2 as remainder. So here we will write no. That means 429714 is not divisible by 8. Okay. Now here we have 856. Now 8 1s are 8. Now here 8 7s are 56. Means 5 will come down. Then 0 will be. See, if you want to see the division here, 8 1s are 8. Okay. Now 5 will come down. Now the 5 cannot be divided by 8. So here we will put 0. Then 6 will come down. Now 8 7s are 56. So what we have seen that we have got 0 as remainder. So we'll write yes. Okay. And here we have 060, which cannot be divided by 8. Okay. Now here 839, again it cannot be divided by 8 because 8 1s are 8. Then 3 will come down. So for that we'll put 0. Then 39 doesn't come in 8's table. So we will write here also no, here also no. Okay. Now coming to divisibility by 9. Okay. Now divisibility 9 is same as divisibility by 3. We'll just add the number. Okay. We'll just find the sum of the digit, and if it comes in 9's table, then we can say that it is divisible by 9. Okay. So here see 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, which cannot be divided by 9. That's why here it's given no. Now next we have 9 plus 9 plus 0, which 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 0 is 18, so which comes in 9's table, so we'll write yes. Now in the next we have 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, which cannot be divided by 9, so we'll write no. Again next 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 14, 12 plus 2 is 14, so which cannot be divided by 9. Next 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 6 is 18, 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, which cannot be divided by 9. Next 6 plus, here we have already added, which is 21, which cannot be divided by 9, so we will write no. Next also we have added, we have got 27, which can be divided by 9, so we will write yes. Now 2, 8, 5, 6. If you add this, 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 plus 2 is 21. Which does not come in 9's table. So we'll write no. Next we have 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. So 9 can be divided by 9. So we'll write yes. And in the last one, 406839. Here we have got 30. We have done the addition before, so here we have got 30, which cannot be divided by 9, so we'll write no. Okay. Now next we have divisibility by 10, and according to the rule of divisibility by 10, if the last digit is 0, then it will be divisible by 10. Now here in number 128, last digit is 8, that means which cannot be divided by 10, that's why here is given no. Now in the next one we have 0 at 1's place, so we will write yes. Again here in the third one, 1586, it cannot be divided by 10 as 6 is at 1's place. Now here also it cannot be divided. Now 6686 also cannot be divided by 10. Again 639210, here 0 is at 1's place, so it can be divided by 10. Again here 429714 cannot be divided by 10, so we'll write no, because here 4 is at 1's place. Next we have 2856, which cannot be divided by 10 as 6 is there at 1's place. And here 3060, here last digit is 0, so it can be divided by 10, so we'll write yes. And again in the last one we have got 9 at 1's place, so it cannot be divided by 10, so we will write no. Okay. Now, according to divisibility by 11, we know that if the sum of the digit at even places and we will have to find the difference between the sum of the digit at even places and sum of the digit at odd places, and if we get 0 or 11, then it will be divisible by 11. Now here 1, 2, 8, here this is odd, this is even, this is odd again. So 8 plus 1, if you find the sum of the odd means sum of the digit at odd places, then we will get 8 plus 1 is 9, and here in the even place we have 2 only, and if you do the subtraction we will get 7, which is not divisible by 11. That's why no is given. Okay, now in the next in the next number we have 990. So odd, even, odd. So first we have odd only, as 1 is odd number, that's why 1 is, at first we will consider the first digit as odd number. Okay, so odd, even, odd. Now again if you find the sum of the odd number, then we will have 9 plus 0 is 9, and in the odd place we have 9 only, so 9 minus 9 is 0, so we will write yes. Okay, now next we have odd, even, odd, even. So if you find the sum of the odd places, we have 9, and even places we have 11. 6 plus 5, even places, if you find the sum of the digit at even places, which is 6 and 5, then we have 11. And if you find the sum of the digit at odd places, then we have 8 plus 1 is 9, and if you find the subtraction, you will get 2, which is not divisible by 11. Okay, next we have 275. So odd, even, odd. Again 5 plus 2 is 7, means the sum of the digit at odd places is 7, and the digit at even places is 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0, so we will write yes. Okay, now next we have 6686. So odd, even, odd, even. Now if you find the sum of the digit at even places, see 6 plus here odd places is at odd places we have 6 and 8, so sum of the digit at odd places will be 6 plus 8 is 14, and 6 even places also 6 plus 6, here is 6 and here is also 6, so we have 12, so we will get 2, so which is not divisible by 11. Now next we have odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So the digit at odd places is 6, 9 and 0. 6, 9 and 0 at odd places. This is odd, this is odd, and this is odd. So 6, 9 and 1, it will be 1. Okay, so 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 16, and the digit at even places is 3, 2 and 0. So 3 plus 2 plus 0 is 5. So if you find the subtraction, we will get 11, which is divisible by 11. So we will write yes. Now next we have odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So we have the digit at odd places is 4 plus 9 plus 1. So 4 plus 9 plus 1 is 14. And even places, the digit sum of the digit at even places is 2 plus 7 plus 4. So 2 plus 7 plus 4 is 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So if you find the subtraction, you will get 1. So which is divisible by, so which is not divisible by 11. So we will write no. Now next we have odd, even, odd, even. So sum of the digit at odd places is 5 plus 2 is 7, and sum of the digit at even places is 8 plus 6 is 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So if you find the subtraction, we will get 7, which is not divisible by 11. Okay, now next we have odd, even, right? So here at sum of the digit at odd places is 3 plus 6 is 9, and even places is 0. So 9 plus 0, 9, here 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0, and if you find the subtraction, we will get 9, which is not divisible by 9, which is not divisible by 11. Okay, and the last one we have odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Okay, so here we have the sum of the digit at odd places, see 4, 6, 3. So 4 plus 6 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. And sum of the digit at even places, 0 plus 8 plus 9. So 0 plus 8 plus 9 is 17. And 17 minus 13 is 4, which cannot be divided by 11. So we will write no. Okay. So this was about the divisibility test of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. Thank you, students.